Hey man, hey, what's up, man? I just need like $2, like just $2, cause man, you know, like life just sucks, man. Like I got late fees at the fucking video store. My parents wouldn't pay my fucking cell phone bill. I just want to get drunk. I just want to pass out and wake up sometime tomorrow, man.
Man, you gotta get your shit straight. Come on, $2.
$2, man. $2. That's all I need, man.
$2 get you into the show, man.
No,
You can come see some cool bands.
I don't want to pay them $2, man. Fuck that. What are those people doing, man? I just want to go home and listen to fucking Anti-Scene and fucking piss on the floor, man. Just give me
get over that shit, Ryan. Get over that shit. Come on, man.
Come on up in here. What else is there?
We got this punk rock right up in here. We got some hardcore.
What band's playing? What band?
Positive noise!
Whatever.